Assalamu. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change top and bottom cell margin in Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and take a table with some text. Now we want to change the top and bottom cell margin. Select the top and bottom cell. Then go to the layout menu and click cell margin option. Then choose top, then press OK. Then select the bottom cells and click the cells margin and increase the bottom and top cell margin, then press OK. Now we can see here we change the top and bottom cell margin in Word very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.